on virtual platform. That is, we have to come out of it. So there's a system that in your group you make a roster, and you
sir,
are supposed to gather at one place invited by a person on the rotational basis based on the
sir,
roster.
got you,
The
sir,
person who will be inviting, he will be getting 3 marks, and
sir,
the person who will be joining,
invited,
he will get 1 marks. And
sir,
at that day, it is he is the hero of the show. So at
sir,
that day, he will be sharing his link, and whosoever will join from that link, he will get 1 marks for that also. Since
that's
you are
good,
supposed to keep motivated the people who have joined through you, we
sir,
have given the 3 layers. You are supposed to really motivate them. So it's not that I added Colonel SK Sharma, but
sir,
I will insist SK Sharma ke please you should add your family members, your relative, and this and that, and then
100%,
whosoever you will add, yeah, that same person will be requested by Colonel Sharma to do the needful, and that's why. So there is a three label, right?
right, sir, right, sir,
So if I added, I will get 1 marks for adding you, right? If you
sure,
add
sir,
somebody, you will get 1 marks, and I will get 0.15 marks.
correct, sir,
The second level will you will get that's the next person will get 1 marks. Colonel
sir,
Sharma will get 0.15. I will get 0.1.
okay, sir,
And the third level, that first person will get 1 marks, second
sir,
will get 0.15, third will get zero point 0.1, and
okay,
fourth one will get 0.05. The
sir,
purpose is that you not only add people but keep on motivating them to motivate others also.
sure,
And
sir,
this merit list is created on the basis of these 3 marks.
sir,
पहला मार्क्स खुद डायरेक्ट ऐड किया, दूसरा इनडायरेक्ट, और तीसरा जो है एक जगह पे इकट्ठा होकर संकल्प लिया,
sir,
right? So this is the
yes, sir,
strategy. This is basically enabling methodology, so that
sir,
we can not remain dependent in the virtual world, but we should meet face to face, take the pledge, and then you are supposed to create a video when you are meeting. So
sir,
मैं अच्छे भारत का संकल्प लेता हूँ, मतलब भाषा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, इट इज वी डोंट वांट
sir,
टू रियली स्ट्रेटिफाइड इन द भाषा. आत्मा
sir,
दिल
sir,
से निकलना चाहिए. 5 मौलिक अधिकार, 21 महालक्ष्यों वाला अच्छा भारत की मैं शपथ लेता हूँ बस.
जी,
और उसका वीडियो बनाना है, वो वीडियो मुझे भेजना है टेलीग्राम ऐप से, और मैं उसे क्राइम फ्री भारत यूट्यूब चैनल पर अपलोड करूंगा. तो जो लोग देखेंगे कि साहब इतने लोग जो है ना अपना वीडियो अपलोड कर रहे हैं, दैट एनर्जी विल बी जो है ना
yeah,
इन्फ्लुएंसिंग
vibrant,
अदर्स आल्सो.